Imagine 7 nights to quieter breath and deeper rest. What if the real fix isn't pills or gadgets, but understanding the hidden costs behind the sound? Tight airways, poor posture, silent stress, all playing a role. One small shift breathing through your nose at night can change everything. Real stories, real results, no hype. Want to reclaim your sleep score and your peace? Here is the twist. It is not about stopping snoring overnight. It's about waking up stronger every single day. Comment book to get instant access.